What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you have a request for a tutorial, the link for the Discord is in the description below or up on the screen. Today we're going to learn how to play Tricky Girl by FIA featuring the Green. So grab your ukuleles and let's go learn how to play. Okay, homies, let's go over the chords first. So we are going to play E, cover the top 3 strings here on the 4th fret, bottom string on the 2nd fret. We're going to play A, covering the top string here, 2nd fret, and then the 3rd string on the 1st fret. And we're also going to play B, cover the bottom 2 strings here, 2nd fret, cover the 3rd string 3rd string 3rd fret, top string 4th fret. Okay, homies, let's go over the structure of this song. So we're going to begin with the intro. We got verse 1, the pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, and then the chorus as the outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Okay, so we got intro, verse, and chorus. These are all going to be played the same way, which is going to be E, A, B, A. Okay, so those are all going to be played that same way. The only thing that's different is the pre-chorus, which is going to be played B 2 times, and then A, B, A, and then it goes into the chorus, okay? So that's the only different thing. So now let's play it together so you can make sense of everything I just said. Intro. Verse 1. Okay, pre-chorus. B, A, B, and then A. All right, into the chorus. Verse 2. Pre-chorus. Hoku no. Chorus. Chorus as the outro. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play this song, go ahead and share it with them. The link for the Discord is in the description below. That's where you guys can make your tutorial requests. And I will see you next week. Okay then.